Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Nicole and today we're going to be making a fresh and crunchy Japanese cabbage salad. Cool, crisp cabbage and bean sprouts get tossed in a soy-based dressing and tossed with crunchy elements like noodles and nuts. It's the perfect salad to feed a small crowd, great for potlucks, barbecues, and camping. It's one of my favorites and I know you're going to love it. Our recipe today starts with cabbage. I have half a head here that I'm going to core and thinly slice. And the pre-shredded coleslaw mix is also great to use if you don't feel like slicing your own. Add your shredded cabbage along with 1 bag of fresh bean sprouts and 8 ounces of thinly sliced mushrooms, 1 tin of sliced water chestnuts that I've slivered, 3 thinly sliced green onions, and we're going to toss this all together before adding our dressing and noodles. Our dressing today starts with a half a cup of canola or vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a few grinds of black pepper, and the seasoning pouch from a 3 to 4 ounce package of instant noodles. I'm using an Ichiban noodle today, chicken flavored, and we'll give it all a good whisk. Next we have some toasted nuts. I have slivered almonds, 1/4 cup of toasted sunflower seeds, and nuts are easily toasted at home in a shallow tray at 350 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the nut or seed, and a couple tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. And now we're simply going to take the noodles from the Ichiban package and crush them into the salad. Alright, one final crunchy element, and that is dried chow mein noodles. About a half a bag. And again, we're going to toss this all together. What's great about this salad is that it has a little bit of staying power with all these crunchy elements and no mayonnaise. This wonderful salad makes it easy to be prepared for any social gathering, and it's always a favorite. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.